Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you HyperX CloudCast not working, how to fix. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. If your HyperX QuadCast not working, then these are the people's opinion and solution regarding this. This is the problem HyperX QuadCast not working. Here in the done, people spread their opinion regarding this. One people says that try cleaning the port with a toothpick and some 90% alcohol solution. You said it is new, but you really should try to keep those ports clean. So I will need to try this thing to clean the port with a toothpick. And these are the another steps you need to try, like try different USB hubs and updating the USB drivers and try several different codes. So these are the another things you need to try. Hopefully these things will work for you and hopefully your problem will be fixed up to that. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.